So in this video, we are going to see what is the use of sort functionality. So we have some data here and I saw like I want to sort it out. Here, if you see the column D, country, first we have India, Sri Lanka, Australia, Sri Lanka, then Pakistan, India, West Indies. So like that we have different countries at a different column. But I want to sort it out at a country level. So we have option here under home menu. We have a sort option. So just click on that arrow key and click on A to Z sort or a Z to A sort. So click A to Z. So what will happen is whatever is starting with A will come first, and if you scroll down, whatever ending with Z or a Z will show at the bottom. Then again, if I want to sort again from Z to A, same column, sort Z to A. So you will see Zimbabwe has came first and then the West Indies. So this is how the sort functionality works. So wherever you want, you can sort it out.